Visibilities aren't bad. I noticed they are dropping a little bit in spots. So, if you run into a patch or two of fog this morning, not a big deal. Just want to let you know it's possible. I got a lot of lower 60s. Brandon, New Tampa, West Chase, all in the lower 60s. Land O'Lakes, Wesley Chapel, Bushnell, all these spots 60, 62 in Sarasota, and inland locations in the low to mid 60s as well. Notice how nice and comfy the whole southeast is, and then behind this next front is cold. Obviously, 20s, 30s, and 40s, but this next little front that you kind of see on the map here is not going to come pushing through at all. So it's just going to kind of hang to our north, keeping us with the same air mass that we have, which yesterday brought us a record high. So I think we'll be in the 80s pretty much the entire week. I don't think we're going to have anything significant weather-wise until maybe Friday when we bring a cold front through with some showers and thunderstorms. So today, mostly sunny skies. We'll get back up into the 80s again. Maybe a little bit of fog overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. But then tomorrow, we go right back into the 80s again under mostly sunny skies. Pretty quiet week as well going into Wednesday. Guess what? Mostly sunny and back into the 80s by the end of the week. By Friday, though, we're going to bring a cold front through, and that front will cool us down for the weekend. But it won't cool us down back into the 60s. I think it's going to keep us in the 70s. So mostly sunny, warm, a bit humid today. Not too bad, but your high about 82. Mild and muggy with some fog late tonight and a low of 66. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny and warm with your high of 81. Boaters, amazing, beautiful. Seas running less than a foot, 63 degrees, the water temperature. I got 81 tomorrow, 80 on Wednesday. Even Thursday looks good. Showers possible Friday and a little bit cooler Saturday, Sunday. Highs back in the lower 70s.